There's more blackberries, look. Mommy got you more blackberries.
Huh?
Are they good?
Huh?
Eat them.
I eat that.
Should have rearranged her fruit.
Huh?
Hi. Taylor, are you going to school today?
No.
Yes, you are. Are you going to see your friends?
I am.
Are you going to see Sarah?
Okay.
Are you going to see Maya?
Mama. 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 Mommy. Mama.
Stop bossing her around.
Huh?
You boss your mom around too much.
Huh?
Is that your sweater?
Oh, no.
Are you going to go to Trader Joe's?
Okay.
Do you like Trader Joe's?
Oh.
Do you like the shopping cart?
I know.
You're pushing it.
Hmm?
Okay, bye.
Bye.